Ja sam Karl i vi slušate Radio Student. Uživaj! Now I'm motivated to say it in Croatian. Okay. Ja se osjećam dobro. Ljudi koji rade tu su ljubazni. Ja mislim da kada meni treba nešto mogu ići i pitati ako oni mogu mi pomoći. Hvala. Hvala.
I expected here, like, at the same time, a modern city, but also somewhat relics of the past, of the Yugoslavian past, socialist past.
Zagreb also reminds me a lot of Kharkiv because it's very spacious and green. It's a really nice city to live in. And on the political level in general, I mean, I was somewhat expecting this mix of European and Balkan.
Some languages, you will hear some words in.
That's where the future is headed. It's not manufacturing, and it's not.
I always ask, why did you choose Croatia? Usually have two answers. One is that they heard that Croatia is a beautiful country they would like to see. And secondly, which I'm pleased to hear that they heard that Zagreb University is good, and also Faculty of Political Science.
We have 13 courses held in English, so the offer is really good, I would say, in this semester.
Do we have to talk, or is it like pretend talk? As soon as the sun comes out, we are all sitting in coffees and having something to drink. It's lively. I mean, it's the capital, so there's a lot of young people studying here. It's very alive also when it comes to culture, I think, at least here. I don't really know about the rest of the country.
My impression is that really they have very positive experiences. They enjoy their stay here.
На мою думку, Загреб є одним із найкращих місць, де можна взагалі розпочати своє навчання по програмі Erasmus+. Адже тут насправді це маленьке містечко, де ви, я більш ніж певний, відчуєте себе вдома.
Venite a fare l'Erasmus qui alla Facoltà di Scienze Politiche a Zagreb.